Hello and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this program we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will review the new Transformers movie called Transformers Rise of the Beasts. The seventh film in the Transformers series is perhaps the most likable one, along with Bumblebee, which released in 2017. There isn't much to take away from Transformers Rise of the Beast, but as long as it lasts, it's a fairly enjoyable ride. The bar for the Transformer films has been set rather low. Michael Bay directed the first 5 films from 2007 onwards for almost a decade, till Travis Knight made Bumblebee and steered the Transformers from being just, Transformers, giant machines that fight with each other. Rise of the Beast also tries to infuse emotion and drama, and even though the writing is very ordinary, the filmmaking is a few notches higher than that. In the scheme of things, as far as the franchise is concerned, this is a sequel to Bumblebee, but the events still precede the first Transformers film, making it a prequel to the debut film which released in 2007. When a franchise is this old in terms of numbers of films, not necessarily just in age, it helps if you know the basics like who is Optimus Prime and what are Autobots. Although even if you don't know all about them, there is a quick recap and it doesn't take long to figure out who is on which side. Maximals are a cross between robots and animals who are living on the planet when their peace is disturbed by Scourge, the leader of the planet-eating god called Unicron. All the voiceovers in Transformer movies aim for the most deep voice award as we've seen in the past. The planet-eating god is all-powerful and has everything, and like all the villains, he still needs that one thing which will make him XXL powerful. In this case, it is a transwarp key that will open the portal to another universe or galaxy or whatever that was, which he desperately wants. Set in the mid-90s, Noah Diaz, played by Anthony Ramos, is jobless and has a tough time making ends meet. He doesn't have money to even treat his younger kid brother. When he resorts to stealing a car, it turns out to be an Autobot named Mirage, sucking him into the Transformers world. On the other side, there is a relic expert played by Dominic Fishback. She gets an eagle-like artifact, and with some strange signs on it, she is intrigued right from the word go. For most parts, the screenplay forces the characters to do certain things, even though there isn't much explanation or logic to it. The familiar characters are also on the scene, like Optimus Prime, voiced by Peter Cullen, Bumblebee, and the new ones like the animal-like Transformers. At some stages, the film gets into the Indiana Jones and even National Treasure mode as there is a hunt for the key. When the key is found, the plot conveniently moves to another key that is required to complete the first key. When both keys are found and the destruction process begins, only a code can prevent the catastrophe. To get the code, the characters have to, you get an idea of where this is going and how this is going to pan out. In addition to the top-class VFX, there is a certain cohesiveness and clarity in the storytelling. Clearly, a lot of effort has gone in the sound design and the visuals as well, particularly the former. I walked into this Transformer movie expecting that it will be just another brick in the Transformer wall, but I came out pleasantly surprised. I'm going to go with 3 out of 5 stars for the new Transformers movie, Rise of the Beast. Well, that's what I thought of the new Transformer movie. Let us know what you think. Do write into us. Our address is features@prudentmedia.in. And I'll be back next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.